Let's dive into division. 478 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's get back to our awesome division problem. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 478. We're going to use the digit 4 for this step. It's like picking the first piece of our puzzle. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 4? You got it, it's 2 times. Let's check our work. 2 times 2 equals 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4. Easy peasy, it leaves us with 0. You're doing awesome, that first step is complete. We've conquered the first digit. Time to move on to the next number. Okay, let's tackle the next digit, 7. We bring it down to join our remainder. We bring down the 7 to make the number 7. Look, we have a new number to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 7? Think hard, it's 3 times. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Great job checking. Now subtract 6 from 7. What do you get? Yes, it's 1. Woohoo, you're making fantastic progress. Keep that energy up. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit to make our next number. Last stop, we bring down the final digit, 8, to join our remainder of 1. We bring down the 8 to make the number 18. This is our last number to divide. What's 18 divided by 2? You're so close to the finish line, it's 9. Let's multiply to be sure. 9 times 2 is 18. Exactly right. Subtract 18 from 18. That leaves us with 0. We did it. Amazing work, superstar. You've totally crushed this division problem. And that's it. We've divided 478 by 2. Our final answer is 239. So we found out that 478 divided by 2 is 239. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 478 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even the biggest numbers manageable. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today's division adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and check out our other videos for more math fun. See you next time.